been here about like 5 minutes already.
Attention everyone. We have power off on all 4 rails. There's a police investigation going on in front of us. All trains at this time will stand held in the station until the investigation is over and someone unauthorized individual on the track. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your patience.
Power is off on all rails, so there's no 6 trains moving at the moment because there's somebody.
How
on
long
the
it's
road
gonna
that
take it?
wants to
About
quit.
20 minutes?
So if you could take the 101 or 103 bus to get further uptown, that's the only solution I can give
So
out
you
right
guys
now.
don't have a
There's
clue
no
how long it's
there's no
gonna take it,
uptown
right?
6 trains. All power is turned off. So if we could go uptown, take the 101 or 103.
Y'all was still in the train, it's still in the train.
You was partially right.
I was right, right?
Partially you are.
No, 100%. He's still smoking crack. If he was not smoking crack on the tracks, the train would have been cool. The train would have, y'all wouldn't even go about Taco City.
All power turned off. All power is turned off. There's no uptown 6 train. Uptown.
Oh, that's the bicycle. Can I have a ride? It's probably much faster. At least much more reliable, for sure.
Jimmy, excuse me.
Ja wychodzę na 110, kurwa, nie?
No, it's not working.
Who the fuck is doing dumb shit in the track? I don't know.
No, nobody train's not working.
Kurwa, ja jestem na 110, kurwa, i ten, i powiedzieli, nie ma pociągu, kurwa, jest jakiś police investigation i przyjmuje,
Holy shit, bro.
Police, police.
Także lepiej się napakuj, bo kurwa, ty będziesz tam, kurwa, do 8 rano.
Okay, bus. Oh, police.